Rosie Kite sent us these permanent RGB lights for outdoors for the house, and they are incredible. They sent this for our review, and I'm about to tell you everything you need to know about them. First of all, obviously you see them installed already, but I want to show you that they do come with different kind of brackets or different kind of hardware, brackets and little nails to install them pretty much anywhere. Right now, because I do have concrete, I use the 3M tape that's on. There's literally 3M tape behind every single RGB light, and I literally a little bit of press, and I'm telling you, it is on. It's really, really nice. So you probably are already wondering what this little thing is. It's dangling down, but it doesn't have to be, because I'm using the first strip, because yes, it comes with 2 strips. The second strip is right here, and I can connect the second strip to this first strip, no problems whatsoever. Now, how do you connect them? This is where the magic is, because you actually have this whole section that can be disconnected. As you can see, it's disconnected right now and it just turned off. I'm going to reconnect it, and this screws in to make it weatherproof. So of course, rain, snow, wind, whatever, no problem whatsoever. But if I did want just a smaller section, because maybe it's around a window and I don't need this whole full section, I can block it off and cap it off with this, and it prevents the water and the weather to go into it and mess it up, which is really, really cool. In this case, I won't be doing that, so I'm just going to cut it, let it fall, and I won't worry, because these are definitely permanent all year round, which is great. Now you're probably asking yourself, well, great, these are RGB lights, very easy to install. There's a bunch of them, of course. I mean, yeah, it's such a straight line. I can't believe I did such a good job with the line. Really, no tools required whatsoever. Very, very cool. At this moment, you look at them, they look like security lights. They look like just, your normal house lights, because they are white. But the really cool thing is that they are RGB and they are smart. They are automatically connected. It took me 2 minutes on the app, because yes, it does come with an app, Smart Life app. Soon as you connect it to the app and to your network, you can control these lights from your vacation, from your office, or from your home, of course, which is really nice. So even if you're away, turn on the lights, make a little animation, make a little sequencing, change the colors if you wish. That's really, really cool. So first things first, I just switched on to color mode. And as you can see, I'm at 100% intensity. I can bring down the value of the intensity or bring it all the way back to 100. And look at that, I'm in purple mode, which is really cool. I can go blue, right away it turns into blue. I can go yellow, and yellow it is. So that's really nice, because we're not maybe always in the holiday or in the mood of, celebrating something. You just want to have a single solid color, great. If you don't want a single solid color and you want maybe the right-hand side of the house in a certain color, or the other strip in another color, or even just like literally intermittent colors if you want to, you have single control of all of these lights. So every single little bulb that you see on the app is a single little RGB unit that you can switch around to your little heart's desire, which is great. So that's one thing. The really cool thing about this are scenes. Soon as you turn on the scenes, you've got a bunch of different scenes that are presets. And presets, look at that, I'm actually starting now. I'll show you the festival one, for example. I'm going to go into Christmas. So you see Christmas, and I'm going to click on Christmas, and all of a sudden, it's going to light up Christmas in my house right now. Look at that, beautiful. And this animation will continue sequentially, just go through the whole sequence of different lights, of different, of the preset basically. If I want something, maybe it's a birthday. I don't even know what birthday is. Let's see. Okay, so birthday is just the blinking of all the lights, but not as a sequence. That's pretty cool. New Year, let's see what New Year is gonna be. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, just moves, and the little animation just follows through. That's really cool. And then there's another cool thing that I want to show, because they also have a music function. And the music function, you can actually, the sensitivity you can actually have right here. Right now, it's listening to my voice, but if I had music playing right now, whether it's on my phone or in my house, if I have a party, and I bring the sensitivity a little bit higher, it will recognize, hey, see? It's pretty cool. It will recognize the voice, the music, the guitar, the drums, and basically emulate it as a sequence of colors and intensity, which is really, really nice. So let's go back to the big, bright lights that we know. There you go. I think this thing is the best. Look at this, and it just like, yeah, now I think I clicked something on my phone. I love that. It's so cool. Let me go back to another festival mood. There you go. Beauty. So obviously, these things will stand the test of time for sure. I love the fact that they're so easy to install, whether you install them with the brackets, with the other types of hardware. In my case, honestly, I didn't even want to rack my brain. I just put it with the 3M tape. It was there, it was done. And by the way, the 3M tape, usually I have a lot of trouble taking out that, they have that little strip that you just grab and pull. It took me 5 minutes to do that whole strip. It was perfect. But yeah, the brains of the operation, the terminal where you plug it into the wall, that's where that brain is connected to your network and connected to your phone, which makes the whole thing basically dance and vibe the way it is. These are great. I can't wait to install the second strip and really light up the whole house.